Hi everyone. The topic for today is what to do if you are doing 3 jobs in a year. Uh, Not even 3 means more, maybe more than 3, or I would say even more than 1. So if you are expecting to work in more than one company in one financial year, then how to fill the tax form. They will give you a form to fill which will have your tax file number and your address and some details, some questions they will be asking, whether you have hex or not. So few questions they will be there, but the most important questions is do you want to claim tax free threshold. So what to do in uh, when you get a form. So you should claim tax free threshold only from one company. So let's say you are expecting to work in 3 companies or 4 companies, or or just maybe 2 companies, then just put a tick on claim tax free threshold only on the one job, only for one company. Just do that, and for the other companies just write I do not want to claim tax free threshold. Now which company you should claim tax free threshold? Company where you are expecting to get the highest income. For example, in one company you are expecting to get gross income of $1,000 a week, but in other companies you might get $100 a week or $200 a week because they are casual or part-time. So in your main job where you are getting the highest income, there you need to tick on claim tax-free threshold. And for the other companies where you are working part-time or casual, where you are receiving less income, over there you say I do not want to claim a tax-free threshold, so that they can take out more tax from your salary in those companies. Thanks for watching.